Good morning, ma'am. For today, we will do for your head exercise, okay? Okay. We will start. 1, 2, 3. Other side. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, today we will do shoulder exercise. Okay, we will start now. 1, 2, 3. And other side. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. And that's it for today, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Today we will do legs exercise, okay? Just relax. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. And next. 1, 2, 3. Next. Just relax. 1, 2, 3. And that's it for today, ma'am. Thank you.